Did you know that affiliate marketing spending was estimated at 5.4 billion US dollars in 2017, but it will increase to 8.2 billion US dollars by 2022. That's crazy, right? Hi guys, my name is Ishan Narang, and in this video I'm going to give you a full guide on how to do affiliate marketing if you are a beginner. Well, you must be familiar with the idea of affiliate marketing, and this is the most popular way to earn income online these days. So if you want to start your affiliate marketing career right from the scratch, this short video will surely help you. But before that, just grab your notepad, pen and paper and hit that like button, and please subscribe to my channel as well. Okay, so let's begin with the very first step in the journey to become a successful affiliate marketer, which is selecting a niche, and that too micro niche. Selecting a niche can be one of the most dreaded aspects of business research for most marketers. Well, everybody say find your niche, choose your micro niche, but what does that actually mean? How do you actually find a niche? Well, let me tell you, a niche is a very highly specialized market. For example, make money online is a niche, health and wellness is a niche. But when we talk about micro niche, we need to narrow it down to only one aspect. So when we talk about health and wellness as a niche, then weight loss is a micro niche. Similarly, make money online is a niche, but make money by selling solo ads to affiliate marketer is a micro niche. So when selecting your niche, keep in mind to be more specific. So yes, you have to be very specific while choosing your niche, especially when you are a beginner. You may not get a chance to expand your niche later, so be very prepared in advance and select a niche very carefully. Okay, now after selecting a niche, you need to select a platform and build your audience, and that will be a second step of starting with affiliate marketing. So there is a lot of platforms available for you like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube. What you can do is simply start by reviewing products to build your audience. Okay, you would be amazed to know that there is an account on TikTok which gives reviews on Amazon products and has earned almost 8 billion followers, right? Now that is really massive, but it is not necessary for you to start with something that much big. Okay, you can also start by just 500 or even 200 followers in the beginning, and that is totally fine. So don't worry, just get started and you will grow eventually. Okay, so now move on to what you are done on setting up your platform. Now it's time for you to deal in our third step, that is to sign up for an affiliate program. You see, affiliate programs are the best way to get started at affiliate marketing. So you can sign up for Amazon affiliate program or other popular programs like Commission Junction, ClickBank and ShareASale. And once you have signed up, you can choose a product that best suits your niche. When you will choose a product, you will get a unique ID of that particular product that you are chosen to promote. Okay, so while choosing a product, you have to be very careful, because if you recommend an unworthy product, trust me, your audience may never come back. Okay, so go with the trusted product that have a quality material and a warranty too. Now proceeding with the fourth and the most important step, that is selecting a product and service to promote. Well, I want to suggest you something here. Before selecting a product or service, you should ask yourself these questions. Who are your target audience? That simply means while choosing a product, you should keep in mind that it should be adequate for your targeted audience and your niche. And then ask yourself, would you genuinely recommend it to your friends or family? If yes, that means you have a faith and trust in that particular product, and I suggest you should only promote those products which you and yourself have used or have trusted. Then coming to our last one, that ask yourself if there is too much competition in that market. So if there is a lot of competition, then it will be hard for you as a beginner to definitely get some sales. Okay, so make sure to pick a product with a lesser competition in the beginning. Okay, so now as you know, people are always in a hurry, so it is important for you to grab their attention instantly, right? So let's move to our fifth step, which is to create extraordinary content to promote your product and service. You see, in today's world, there are so many options for customer to choose from, especially in online world. Are so much distractions. You already know it, right? So make sure that your content is attractive so that you can stand out in the crowd. Just use your creativity to fullest and create eye-catching content. Now let's move to our last step, which is to track and enhance. The last step involves tracking your performance, as this will allow you to know what promotional strategy worked for you and what better you can do to retain your targeted audience. Also make a note to analyze your cost as to how much you are spending on affiliate marketing and how much you are actually earning. So to track and measure your inputs and output, as that will lead you from being a beginner to a successful affiliate marketer. Hopefully this will guide all the beginners to run a successful affiliate marketing business. So now we have come to the end of this video, and at last, if you found this particular video useful and if you would like to be a part of my community, I want to join you my Facebook group. Okay, link is already mentioned in the description box. Go and join it right now. I look forward to engaging with you in that group. I will see you there, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye guys, cheers.